Welcome to LlantwitMajor.
In calcio europeo è qui ed è qui per rimanere.
BK Skjold, Danmarks største fodboldklub.
Croeso I Llanilltud Fawr.
My name is Llanilltud. I'm here in a presentation of the FENIX Trophy as organizer of the tournament.
So, FENIX Trophy, what does it stand for?
It's an acronym that stands for Friendly, European, Non-Professional, Innovative and Xenia, which is, I guess, the hardest word to understand. It comes from Greek, and xenos means at the same time guest and foreigner.
It's obviously a really proud day for the club, but we found out about this competition last year, so this is the third edition now of the tournament, and we thought, wow, wouldn't it be fantastic if we could get into this? I reached out to the organiser, completely ignored my first email, but we're a very we don't give up as a club, so I managed to track him down and have a chat with him.
When we announced the club's participation, I got messages and calls of people bloggers and magazines saying, this is great, I know them, they're great, and I say, okay, this is just a proof of how good of a choice I made.
A different experience today, looking forward to it?
Yeah, really looking forward to it. Obviously, like you said, a little bit different, unique from the usual games programme, and one experience for the boys. You might not get this opportunity again to play against opposition outside of Wales in a competitive fixture.
Faint o gyffros sydd bod mawrth os yn paratoi cyn y gêm?
Yeah, mae'r season wedi bod yn intense I ni, lawr y gwaelod, ond mae'r wythnos yma just wedi bod yn fel, just enjoy it. So mae once in a lifetime kind of thing, chwarae in Europe. Mae'n gwahanol.
10 years ago we were playing in the amateur leagues, basically against pub teams, and we've managed to get promoted all the way up to the Cymru South, obviously won the league 2 years ago.
Jack, you've had a lot of great experiences here, winning multiple promotions. Where does this European adventure stack?
Got to be said, it's up there. League titles are great, and this is a really good distraction to have away. We've never done it before. I don't think anyone in Wales has done it before, this certain competition. Looking at the other clubs in the competition and where we are, it's a massive achievement.
I've got to ask you about the shirts, the one you're wearing now, but also you're quite used to being decked in crazy colours. Do you enjoy the limelight?
I would love to say no, but yeah, there's a bit of me that does like it, yeah. I think Ben, who's in charge of the shirts, I think he secretly hates me. But at the same time, I can't deny it's a bit of me.
It's very important that we create within these teams that participate to the tournament a sense of friendship, of cultural exchange. It's important, it's an experience that really gives the possibility to the away team to enter the local community.
My name is Henrik. I'm from BK Skjold, and normally at home I stand behind the grill and make sausages and make all the good stuff for players, of course, and everybody who comes to see the games.
Anyone who's ever been in a LlantwitMajor clubhouse after a game knows it's a really fun place to be. We want them to make sure that they really have a good, memorable time because, in this tournament they've been in it for 3 years. They're the current holders.
We were here last year, and we won in Milano and San Siro, so that's a great opportunity. So this is a great tournament, and I think the pitch today could have been better. We're not used to play on normal grass. Nice touch. It would be nice to see you in Denmark, the 26th of April. Look forward to that.
We've got the trips to London coming up and obviously to Copenhagen at the end of the season. We're really excited about that. Our usual away trips are half an hour down the road, piling in the back of someone's car.
The Enfield town going to London on a Tuesday night, there and back is going to be a late one. And then the Copenhagen trip, that's going to be a good one because it's after our season, and what an occasion to be able to go away, and rather than it just being a friendly tour, it's a competitive game. That's what it's all about. For players who just play, they work full time and then they play football on the side, it's huge for them.
Come on! You got one more home game. Who are you playing? When is it?
We've got Enfield next month on the 9th. We're playing on a Tuesday night, 5 o'clock kickoff. You can buy tickets online or just come down and get them on the day. It's obviously got the Wales-England factor, which is going to be good, and we think they're probably the favourites for the group. So if anyone can come down and support us and kind of get behind the Welsh leagues, we'd be delighted.